See students, can you tell? You have to do one activity. Walking, riding a bicycle, using a private vehicle, using public transport. For example, what will you do? Going to study at a friend's house who lives nearby. What do? You can go by walking. Going to your school which is about 1 kilometer away, you can use what? Riding a bicycle. Taking materials to a science exhibition or in another town. You can use public transport, sea or private vehicle. Going to a wedding in the next town. That means you can use private vehicle. Here, by observing these things, we can understand that we should cultivate habits such as walking short distances or riding bicycle for slightly longer distances. In this way, we can avoid the use of fuel burning vehicles and reduce pollution. At other times, using public or private transport can save time and effort. Wherever necessary, you have to use private and public transport as far as possible. In this way, we can reduce the severity of harmful effects of transportation. The following are some more remedies. Reducing, what will you do or what can be done to reduce the pollution? Using fuels that cause less pollution. Nowadays, different CNG, LPG is available. CNG is available which causes less pollution. Timely maintenance and repair of vehicles. Vehicles should be repaired from time to time. Using public transport as far as possible. We have to use public transport as far as possible. And then using private vehicles only when necessary. Only when necessary. The next, planting trees, especially indigenous or local varieties like banyan, peepal, neem, etc. and caring for them. These trees adapt easily to the local environment, help in enhancing biodiversity. Means we should plant more trees to protect our environment. Avoiding fuels that cause pollution. Means as far as possible we have to use LPG or CNG for vehicles. Okay students, learn these points.